guys, welcome to Venus Fun World. If you subscribe to my channel, that's good. If you watch my videos, that's excellent. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe. But if you have subscribed, that's good. You don't have to subscribe. Like and press the notification button so you can send messages. So today we got the RiwBox wireless headphones. This goes over your ears, so it's on top of your ears and it doesn't slip off your ears. So this is a wireless and wired headphones. So this is a really cool headphones, and you could, if you want to find out more about RiwBox, then you can go on Facebook or Twitter to find out more about these headphones, and you can buy it on the RiwBox website. So let's get started opening. Oh, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It has these little froggies on it. It has these buttons. It's soft inside, so it doesn't hurt your ears. And I think you can look. You can measure the size. Look, so this is too big. So if you want it to be like this, you can close it to make sure it goes on your ears like these. And underneath, we got some wires to plug it in. So let's open. So this is the instructions, and we got more in here. We got this. This is a warranty card, and this is the instructions. And this so if you're like on your iPad or your laptop, this is where you plug it in your iPad, laptop, phone, and this is where you plug it to the headphones. So you see there's a hole here. You like plug it in here so that you can hear the music, but if you don't plug it in, you can't hear it. If you want to use wire, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And this is the charger to charge it. So I think you put this tiny one in here, then you put it in any charger, so it charges. Then when it's finished, you can use it to watch. So these are the coolest headphones. Thank you, RiwBox, for sending me these headphones. It has Bluetooth and microphone in here. So if you're calling somebody, or you want to call somebody, or somebody's calling, you can use it, and you can use this wire if you want to, or you don't want to, then you can use the Bluetooth to hear other people from this microphone. So if you haven't watched my other RiwBox headphones, you can watch it, and if you go to my channel name, We Had Us Fun World, you can find it. So just swipe left or swipe right to find my other RiwBox headphones. So that one is for the car, and this one is for my heart. So this has a really cool LED light. Can you see? And when you turn the lights off, you see how it looks? You guys can get from the RiwBox website, you can get the cat one, or you can get the frog one if you go into the RiwBox website. I got the frog ones. So thank you guys for watching my video.